Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 240 of Leetcode. Search a 2D matrix. Day 24 of July Leetcode challenge. So we are given with a matrix of size n cross m, and we have to find if the target element is present in the matrix or not. If the target element is present in the matrix, we have to return true or else false. And this matrix is of a special kind where each of its row and column are in sorted order. So let's discuss the solution. What is the brute force approach that we are going to use? That is, we will iterate through each of the row and column and find if the target element is present or not. If the target element is present, we will return true, or else we will return false. The time complexity for this solution would be n cross n. As given in the question, this matrix is of a special type where each of its row and column are in sorted order. So we could use this property to optimize our solution. What we could do is that we will iterate through each of the row, and for each of the row we will check if the first element of that row is less than our target, less than equal to our target, and the last element of the row is greater than equal to target. And we will run binary search in that row and find if our target element is present or not. If it is present, the binary search function will return the index of that element. If it is not present, then the binary search will return -1, and we will form our answer accordingly. So what would be the time complexity of this solution? As there are given number of rows are n and the length of the row is m, so the time complexity would be n into log m, as the time complexity for the binary search is log m. So let's implement that solution. Okay, what we are going to do, we are iterating through each of the row starting from 0 till last. And we are checking if the first element of row, that is matrix of I comma 0, is less than or equal to target, and last element of that row is greater than equal to target. Then we would run the binary search on this row and find out if that our target element is present or not. If the binary search does not return -1, then our target element is present in that row, so we will return true. And we would do this for each of the row, but after iterating through each row, if we do not find the solution, then that element is not present in our matrix, so we will return false. And now for code of binary search, we will be passing row and a target. This is the basic binary search code. While start is less than equal to end, you will find the mid would be start plus n minus start by 2. We could also do mid equal to start plus n by 2, but I prefer this way. So if middle element is greater than target, then we would decrement our end. Else if middle element is less than target, we would increment our start. And else if middle element is equal to target, we will return the middle element. And if we do not find our target element, so we would return -1. So let's run this code for the test cases. Okay, so there is a typo here. Okay, no worries. Yeah, it's running fine for the given test cases. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it's working fine. Thank you for watching the video.